Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mohit Gaba, physical therapist. Today topic I'm going to cover is tennis elbow or pain in forearm. Let's talk about tennis elbow. What is tennis elbow? It's the rupture of the muscles, especially the forearm muscle, the extensor group of muscles, or inflammation of muscles or overuse of muscle which can cause the rupture of muscles at particular point, a lateral epicondyle of your elbow. So this is what we call as the tennis elbow. Let's talk about what are the causes of tennis elbow. Number one cause of tennis elbow is gym activity. Sometimes we do some repetitive movement of muscles, especially the extensor group of muscles, which can cause the tear of muscles. Second, some household activity in kitchens, using repetitive movement of knife can cause this problem. Sometimes playing golf, playing tennis and playing badminton can cause this problem. Plumbing movement, carpentry movement, these all are the causes of tennis elbow. Let's talk about the treatment. What is the treatment of tennis elbow? Number one, the most important thing, when this repetitive movement occur, inflammation occur, do the icing three times in a day for 4 to 5 minutes. Do the icing on the regular basis. Secondly, you can take some of the medication during a time of injury under the guidance of the orthopedician. Those are some anti-inflammatory drugs which orthopedician will prescribe you only. Thirdly, in physiotherapy you can go for the ultrasound. That's a modality which will reduce down the swelling as well as inflammation as well as pain also. So let's talk about the exercise part, how you can cure this tennis elbow problem with the help of the exercises. Number one, the most important thing, if you have any half kg water bottle or 1 kg water bottle, you can use that water bottle. I'm using dumbbell here now and I'm supporting with my other arm. The only thing is you can take the support on the table. Now see what type of movement I'm doing it right now. I'm just moving my dumbbell down in this position, extending my forearm muscles, and then again I'm just moving up. Whenever you feel pain, any discomfort while doing this exercise, just lower down the angle of your dumbbell or lower down the angle of your bottle, and then again just move down, stretch your muscles, and then up, again move down, stretch your muscles, and up, again move down, stretch your muscles, and up. Second exercise what we can do is just change the angle of this dumbbell and then move up, down, move up, down, move up, down, move up, down, move up and down. These are the two exercises for the tennis elbow. Let's talk about how to do the stretch of tennis elbow. The stretch of the tennis elbow is just you have to hold your arm like this in straight position. With the other arm, just move your elbow, just stretch it down. You can feel the stretch over here. If you are feeling any pain, just reduce down the stretch. Otherwise, just stretch it more, and hold this position for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do this exercise 10 to 15 times, 3 times in a day for the relief of tennis elbow pain. Okay guys, these are the remedies which you have to do it when you got this tennis elbow problem. The most important thing is try to get the treatment under the guidance of any physiotherapist or some orthopedician. And if you do need any type of consultation, do let me know. I'll give you that consultation, and please do share and like our video.